have the veto power for any decision to be taken. The assent of all 5 permanent members and 4 non-permanent members is necessary. If even one of the 5 permanent members uses his veto, that is gives a negative vote, decision cannot be taken. India has participated in different conferences that were held after the establishment of League of Nations. India has raised the question of racism in the United Nations platform. In 1946, India was the first country to raise the question of racism in the United Nations platform. India has always tried to send her troops in the peacekeeping forces of the United Nations.
Chipko movement was started in 1973. The trees were to be cut down in the foothills of the Himalayas. To prevent this, the Chandri Prasad Bird and Sundarlal Bahuguna has started a movement. Women followed a strategy of holding hands and encircling each tree to protect the trees and enhancing it. This movement came to be known as Chipko movement. Women take part in this movement. Women take part in a large number. Women have have main role to play in the agriculture economy of the nature. Gaura Devi made awareness about women in the people's mind with the help of Sudesha Devi and Bachana Devi.
In 1961, Indian National Committee for Space Research established its first rocket, Rohini 75. Established its first rocket in Dubai, the state of Kerala in 1961. Second point, the Rohini 75 in 1975. Rohini 75 was launched in the state of Kerala. Third point, Indian scientists were confident that they could acquire technology for sending the satellite satellites. इस और क्या है वो वाला telex service. The Department of Telecommunications under the Ministry of Communications established telex service in 1963. In 1969, the telex service were expanded into Devanagari script. Later on, it spread across all over the country. The significance of this service reduced after the rise of internet after 1990.
UNICEF is an affiliated organization of the United Nations. UNICEF works towards providing nutritious food and health care to the children. It has started its many workshops in India to overcome the malnutrition among the children and babies. The League of Nations was formed after the First World War to avoid any such war in the future. The League of Nations could not succeed because it could not prevent the Second World War. After the use of nuclear weapons in the Second World War, the idea took root in many countries that such a destructive war should not happen in future. So, and it is the moral duty of all the countries to overcome it. So, the United Nations was formed to solve the international disputes.
America, China, Russia, England, France are the permanent members of United Nations. They have their veto power. If any decision to be taken, the assent of 4 permanent members and 5 non-permanent members is necessary. 5 non-permanent members is necessary. If any of the 5 permanent member uses his veto, that is give negative vote, the decision cannot be taken. UNICEF is an affiliated organization of United Nations. It works towards making of nutritious food and healthcare available for the children. Several workshops were organized in India due to find out the measure of malnutrition in babies and children.
Alimony is a fixed amount paid to a married woman for her upkeep by her husband who has divorced her. In any society, a group of people who are small in number are termed as minority. The United Nations declared 1975 as the International Women's Year. The Constitution of India constituted a Samiti under the chairmanship of Dr. Fulrenu Guha. A statewide conference was organized in 1975 by the Stri Mukti Sangharsha Samiti. The Samiti published its manifesto in 1978. The protest against struggle against the discrimination based on caste, gender and varna was adopted. Anti-dowry protection committee was formed all over Maharashtra.
The League of Nations was established after the First World War. However, it could not succeed as Second World War took place. The nuclear weapons were used, and this became. In order that an idea took place that such destructive wars should not take place again, and hence the United Nations was established. The United Nations was established to instill among all the nations. The objectives of United Nations are as follows: to establish friendly relations among all the nations, to enhance the international security by solving the internal disputes, to safeguard and foster the peace.
A resolution can be passed even if China exercises its veto power.
England, France, America, Russia, and China, the permanent members of Security Council, they have the veto power for any decision to be taken. The assent of all 5 permanent members and 4 non-permanent members are necessary. If even of the one non-permanent member, if one of the one permanent members uses veto power, that is using negative vote, the decision cannot be taken. UNICEF is an affiliated organization of United Nations. UNICEF works towards making of nutritious food and healthcare available for children. Several WhatsApp was established in India to find out measure to overcome malnutrition among the babies and children.
The United Nations General Assembly is a platform to discuss global problems.
True, all the member nations of United Nations are the members of General Assembly. During this session, the General Assembly discusses about important global issues like disarmament, environment, etc. This is a platform for all the representatives of all the member nations to come together and discuss and make policy decisions on the issues regarded to global importance.
The status of all members nations of the United Nations is not equal.
False. There is no discrimination among the nations based on geographical size, military or economic power. The status of the nations, the position and the status of nations, whether they are poor or rich, big or small, will be the same.